All right, so today I'm going to be doing an experiment to find out if it's possible to use one of these waffle irons that I got off Amazon. As you can see, a waffle iron to create what is called in Farsi Tahdig, which is the hard crust of the rice that you typically find at the bottom of the pot. The word Tahdig literally means bottom of the pot. But I want to find out if you can use a waffle iron to get the same texture, that hard crust, as you would if you are extracting the tahdig from the bottom of the pot. Let's go ahead and find out. I gotta say, I love doing these cooking science experiments because I identify as a scientist. In 2024 in the United States, you can identify as anything you like. And I choose to identify as a scientist. Thank you very much. All right, so I'm going to start by plugging in my waffle iron over here. There it is. And I'm going to grease the pan. There we go. I just let it heat up. When it turns green over here, that's when we know when it's ready. And while that's going on, I'm going to come over here and cook some rice. Not all the way, but almost all the way. 1 cup of water right there into the pot. And then a half a cup of rice. Half a cup of rice. A little bit of salt. Give it a little mix. And usually I would cook this for about 20 minutes, but I'm going to cook it for about 15 minutes and then put it in the waffle iron. All right, there it is boiling. I'm going to put it into this smaller plate over here and let it cook for about 15 minutes on the lowest heat. There it is right there, 15 minutes. All right, 15 minutes has come to a pass. Here's my pot of rice. I'm going to put it into this waffle iron right here. You see that? Waffle iron. And see if we can get a tahdig out of it. Let's take a peek at it. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right, let's see what we can do here. Looks decent for the first time. Oh, look at that. You see that? Oh, look at that. It pops right out. Pops right out. There you go. Pops right out. And there it is. The waffle tahdig. This is the waffle tahdig. It's got a nice crunch to it. Oh, look at that. I think the only problem was that I didn't use enough rice. This could probably use about 3/4 of a cup of rice, I would say, is probably ideal, or maybe even 1 cup. I got to experiment with that to find out. All right, so in conclusion, that waffle tahdig didn't come out too well, but for the first time of just having a random idea in my head and actually doing it, it came out pretty good. It's promising. Now I just need to take it and actually perfect it, make the waffle come out nice and round, make sure it's crispy, which it was pretty crispy or crunchy, and do it again until it looks and tastes amazing. The question that I like to ask myself when I try to make something completely new is this actually good enough that somebody would actually want to buy it at a restaurant or order it at a restaurant? And if the answer is no, there is much work to be done. Thank you very much.